so that we stand with Kezia. The only thing that can change the world is love. And love should be unconditional. We are all supposed to love each other with a godly kind of life. I love you. No, thank you so much, Kezia, and congratulations for this day. This is a very good day. Very good day. Showcasing your talent and your ability. The purpose of mankind in this world is to worship and praise God. And whoever that praises God and worships God should be supported in any way for this gospel to go and reach far. Congratulations. Let nothing stop you from praising your Maker. Let nothing stop you from worshiping your God. This God, the only guy that is the Lord that we serve. Situation. May the Lord push your problems far away from your household. Thank you so much, Karag. God bless you.
Thank you, Pastor Ben. Thank you,
nyumbani concepts medagia nyumba na rais bali kuhigura kuria Kikuyu uhali na nyumbani heights upcoming haha Nairobi sio the CEO ukidie Facebook with the nyumbani concepts and join yokoyana na basi yao asiode na meha so that we support this beautiful lady.
Matanga luta itosia. Pastor wako oje tekeria orogamete oro haru. Jeta nyumbani concept mo haha. Niyo makwa bilira. Osoke.
No problem.
Eti kwa. Wapi